Hey guys, got something here I want to show you. This is a solar panel, but it's kind of like a generator also. I'll show you what I mean. I absolutely love this. If you camp, even if you don't camp, but this is something good to have around the house. Comes with this neat carrying case. It straps up right here. When you open it, I want to show you what I mean by solar panel generator. You have all your connectors. You have your aviation connectors, you have your Anderson connectors, and these are all connectors that you'll need to power devices around the home. Look at that. You have your USB, you have all sizes of your jack sizes. Again, you have your aviation connectors, you have your Anderson connectors, but right here is a power station. So you have your USB-C, Type-C, your fast charge, you have your regular USB, you have your Anderson connector. Now, what this is for is that it's a solar panel. So it's a portable solar panel, so you can carry it with you. When you open it up, you can see that it has legs on the back here, and it's a complete solar panel. So you can put the legs down and stand it up. And once you put it in the sun and it's fully charged, you can actually go here and you can connect devices to it. So if you're going to the beach, you're going out camping, we just keep it around the house because you can connect all your devices, your phones, your tablets, your laptops, your computers, whatever it is, you can connect here. Now, the best thing about this is not only does it stand up on its own, not only is it long lasting, it's waterproof. This material is waterproof, so you can leave it outside, let it charge. But it has a chip in it that will cater to whatever device you plug into it. So say you put a phone on it, it won't push all 60 watts to your phone. Say you put a laptop on it, it only uses what it needs. So if you put something fast charging, it'll fast charge. If you put a regular device on there, it'll use regular power. So that's really great because it won't blow your devices. You need to get this, add it to your arsenal. Absolutely love this thing, and I keep it in the vehicle.